We are on our way to Coggshall Park. Well, actually, we already went through the entrance. And da-da-da-da. Exit road, so it's a lot easier to get out. Right here. The different trails. Most people just do a walk around the lake. My parents actually had their wedding pictures taken here. Of this little stadium seating. We get back in ancient Rome and Greece. And then down the gazebo. Our swans that are either leased or owned by the Coggshall Community Administration or whatever it's called. Watch them all with me, OmicronLynx.